Singham. I mean, if you're a big Ajay Devgan fan, I'm pretty sure you're scared of beautiful women, you know. Considering Kajol has a unibrow. Anyway, give it up for Sachin Bhandari, everybody.
Aicha Gawat. So, you know, I work with the public relations industry, which means I know a lot about media. I do. Okay, now, you know, the Times of India has been the leading daily, English daily, and especially in Bombay for no mean reason, guys. I mean, we should give it up for them. They've been leading the pack for a long time now. Can we have a huge round of applause for the Times of India? I mean, the credit goes to insightful reporting, wonderful use of language, and path-breaking photography. If you guys disagree, just pick up a copy of Bombay Times. Kim Kardashian hates the fact that people stare at her butt, but don't appreciate her intellect. It's far-reaching news, people. It's far-reaching news. It makes most men reach for their pants. You know, if your husband, boyfriend, son, brother is spending a lot of time in the bathroom, then trust me, he's not reading the editor's note or the speaking tree. Now, coming back to some more intelligent stuff, you know, a couple of weeks ago, Khar, the erstwhile ugly suburb compared to its hotter sister Bandra, started thinking that it's way classier. Why? Because of the beautiful Pakistani foreign minister Hina Rabbani Khar. You know, most of you South Bombay Chauntlias, I'm from New Bombay. Most of you South Bombay Chauntlias think that only you have contacts, but my contacts go up to the inner circle of the Prime Minister. Okay? So when, you know, everybody, the MPs and stuff, the cabinet, they were having samosas and tea at the Lok Sabha canteen as usual. Okay, Chidambaram for most of you. Chidu walked up to Manu and he said, "In the name of Murugan, Manu, don't you think this Khar baby is sweet?" And we got a rare glimpse of the Prime Minister's potent self. This is how he replied. "By God, if I get a night with her, I would show my middle finger to Advani and yell, 'Call me impotent now, you jinnah sucker.'" But people, it's not just her. I mean, it's not just Hina Rabbani Khar. Her best friend got equal media attention. Her best friend, her bag, I don't know how to pronounce that name, Hermes, whatever. Okay. So it got equal attention. And obviously this didn't go down well with the real ladies' bag queen of India. No prizes for guessing Mayawati. Okay, so when she read this news about Hina Rabbani Khar's bag in the Dainik Jagran, she summoned a PR guy, someone like me. Okay, she summoned for him. He came. She stared at him. "Abhe kyun hai? उसके बैग में तो सिर्फ 12 लाख की बैग है उसकी, मेरे बैग में कभी 12 करोड़ से कम की रकम नहीं होती, फिर भी तुम्हें लिए ऐसी कवरेज नहीं लगा था, चल दफा हो जा बहन के लोड़े." But coming to think of it, people, like if we had like a really hot foreign minister, my choice obviously would be Katrina Kaif. Why not? Like, she's hot, she's classy, she's sexy, knows where to shop for good clothes and bags while she's on foreign trips. And she's so foreign minister material types, she even makes Hindi sound like a foreign language.